It is the 2012 NAB show. Hello everyone, I'm Pyburn of the Pulse. Now we're here having a conversation about the great content shift. Now we're talking with David Hsieh, VP of Marketing for Video and Emerging Technologies over at Cisco. David, how are you doing today? Welcome in.
I'm doing great. Thanks for having me, guys.
Excellent. Without a question. So let's talk a little bit about that a bit more. Your title, VP of Marketing for Emerging Technologies and Video in particular. What are some of the most significant emerging technologies that you've seen over the last couple of years?
Sure. I think we're in this sort of interesting age where everything is being connected to the network, right? So, we're sort of moving into this into this world where you have kind of what we call the Internet of Things, and where everything is connected. In fact, I was reading the other day that there's a diaper manufacturer that has Wi-Fi enabled diapers, and they actually will send you I believe this is like crazy, but they'll send you a signal when a diaper is soiled so that you'll know when to change it. So, that has huge ramifications for everybody and for businesses, because, anything you make, anything you do can be connected to the network where you can have visibility about what's happening and what's changing. So that's affecting video and video devices. It's affecting consumer services. It's affecting the delivery of information. It's affecting energy management. It's really, it's sort of a major phenomenon that we've reached a point where by 2015, we'll have something like 15 billion devices connected to the IP network. And for a planet of 5 or 6 billion people, that's a lot of stuff connected to the network.
That's just an insane number when you really boil it down to it and you actually take a look at something like that on paper, or just hear it, if you will. It's just crazy to think that. But what about the folks that aren't connected, that are kind of a bit behind the eight ball? They are, in fact, kind of slow to the plate, if you will, aren't they?
Well, yeah, it's that's sort of part of our, our great digital divide, and but the cost of getting connected, right, continues to go down. The cost of bandwidth continues to go down, and so, it's becoming easier and more affordable to connect, people and whatever, other types of things that they need to the network.
The last thing I'll kind of note, it's great to have the sensor that lets us know about the diaper, but as long as they don't put a video camera so we really know what happens, right?
Yeah, exactly. Or maybe we'll have connected smell-o-vision at some point, and then you'll really know what's going on.
Absolutely. He right there is David Hsieh of Cisco. Great stuff so far. I am Pyburn of the Pulse Network. Thank you guys so much for being part of our conversation leading up to the 2012 NAB show.